Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. It's official. It's here. Spring. First day. It arrived at 5:59 this evening. What dictates the exact arrival time? It's really astronomy. It's the position of the Earth with respect to the sun. So it's here. Doesn't mean that spring all of a sudden just pops up like that. In fact, it may not feel like spring around here until probably Sunday. So we've got really kind of a roller coaster ride with our weather over the next several days, highlighted by a storm, a coastal storm that'll be centered on Thursday night. Take a look at the high temps today, keeping in mind that the average high is 50. We were pretty close to that today, but the problem was that the breeze made it feel cooler, so it didn't feel like 50 today. But otherwise, it was a decent day. We take a look at what we're keeping an eye on. It's officially spring. Coastal storm for Thursday, not so much during the day, but rather Thursday night, especially late Thursday night. Some heavy rain, gusty wind, a few isolated thunderstorms. In fact, a better part of the daylight hours of Thursday actually looks dry. Some of that wet weather spilling over into a portion of Friday. And just a variety of weather over the weekend. It's really two seasons. Saturday, clearly, the windy and cold day. Even though it's dry, it'll feel more like spring on Sunday. There's less wind, it's milder, there's more in the way of sunshine, and looks pretty good the second half of the weekend. In the meantime, satellite photo shows some clouds off to our south and west, and so essentially partly cloudy skies for this evening. Here's the wider view. Most of New England is dry. You see on the edge of your TV, of your screen, some precipitation. So you can see a number of systems that we're tracking that will come together to form our storm system, which is actually already taking shape off the Carolina coastline. But 1, 2, and 3, these three areas that we have circled, all more or less will work in tandem to form a storm system, which is actually already forming off the Carolinas and help to intensify it off the mid-Atlantic coastline. That red L Thursday night, that'll bring a shield of rain, wind, and even some isolated thunder possible during that time. So this is the setup right now. Let's take it into the future. So watch the time bar, and we'll show you how this all progresses next 24 to 36 hours. So by tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., it's cloudy, it's dry. You notice the bulk of the precipitation is still out towards New York City and along Philadelphia, Jersey coastline, out towards the Delmarva, and here we are in southern New England, cloudy but dry. And even by mid to late afternoon, now I wouldn't rule out a late day shower on Thursday. I just think the more generous rain, which you can see just to our south, that starts to work in later Thursday night. And you see these areas of red and orange offshore right in here. These are thunderstorms. A few of these thunderstorms may rotate inland later Thursday night, so I wouldn't rule out the rumble of thunder on Thursday night. And then the whole system starts to lift to the north on Friday, though we'll probably wake up to at least a few lingering showers on Friday morning. So locally, next 24 hours, not too much going on as far as precipitation. Skies will be clear to partly cloudy this evening. Now, it will be chilly tonight, just not as cold as the last couple of nights. Now, this is 7 o'clock in the morning. We got a little sunshine through increasing clouds. The morning commute looks dry. There are really no weather issues. Now, here we are. This is 2 o'clock, mainly cloudy. Now, again, an isolated shower. I wouldn't rule that out. Temperatures in the upper 40s, maybe briefly near 50. This is 6 o'clock in the evening for the evening commute. Cloudy, cool, and dry. Not much in the way of rain. But notice as we get closer to 10, 11 o'clock and midnight, you start to see a more generous area of rain. The yellow and orange colors indicating, these are some downpours, maybe some rumbles of thunder. And temperatures that'll be in the 40s Thursday evening and into Thursday night. So for tonight, this evening, moonlit skies, full moon. There'll be a few patchy clouds from time to time, but cool and dry, pretty much the theme. A little chilly by 11 o'clock. We're at 34. I don't think we'll get much below freezing tonight, unlike the last couple of nights. Tomorrow morning, any filtered sunshine giving way to increasing clouds. We'll start off at about 35. And then during the afternoon, mainly cloudy and cool, upper 40s, perhaps briefly near 50. Again, mainly dry. Wouldn't rule out an isolated shower. I just don't really see much in the way of widespread precipitation until we get to Thursday night. So 7-day forecast shows some lingering showers on Friday, 49. Now the downside with Friday, first of all, it's not a washout despite a couple of showers. The wind will really start to pick up Friday afternoon and Friday night, and really just strong wind Friday evening. And the downside with the weekend, even though it does dry out on Saturday, a little bit of sunshine, it's chilly. It's only 45, which in itself isn't too bad, but you throw in these wind gusts at times up to 45 miles per hour. That 45 feels more like 32, so definite wind chill. It's blustery. It's chilly, but at least it's dry. That theme will continue into Saturday night. You have Saturday night plans, just kind of cold and windy. Much better on Sunday for a couple of reasons. More in the way of sunshine. It's about 15 degrees warmer, and there's less wind. Look at the temps. Mid to upper 50s for daytime highs, so it'll feel more comfortable compared to Saturday. So wrapping it up, it's quiet for this evening. Most of the daylight hours of Thursday looks dry, and that stormy weather Thursday night into a portion of Friday, and very, very windy Friday evening, Friday night through all of Saturday. And Sunday, the pick day this weekend, even though both Saturday and Sunday are dry, it's a lot warmer and less wind on Sunday. Check back with me tonight at 10 o'clock and again at 11 o'clock on Eyewitness News for latest weather update on this coastal storm for Thursday night. And, of course, meteorologist Michelle Muscatello in bright and early, 4:30 a.m. on Thursday with your updated forecast. So that's the latest. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.